Hey y'all, welcome back to Tay Eats. If this is your first time, please consider like, subscribe, and coming back seeing your girl. And to my returning viewers, thank you. I love you so much. Today, y'all, we got the grinder. Something I've been wanting to try because it's messy. And I know it's gonna be good. This is one thing on social media that I saw that I was like, yeah, I gotta try this. I got to try. It's a must. Cause I feel like this is gonna be bomb. It's gonna be messy, but it's gonna be bomb. When they tried to come out and say that Walmart chicken salad, I was like, nope, I ain't even tried. I knew that chicken salad was trash. I only try certain stuff that I feel like is gonna be good, and I feel like this is gonna be good. My maintenance guy, whatever, knocking on the door. But yeah, to this, how's everyone doing? This is messy. Oh, this is messy. Look at this, y'all. It's good. I think I might have put too much of the lettuce stuff on top, the salad, but it's good. Y'all, let me take another bite. I knew this was gonna be fire. Look at that, y'all. I got this sucker dripping. This is good. If you have not tried this, try it. You're gonna like it. This is not one of those things on social media that you try and you be mad, because I know people hype up stuff real quick. Nah, this is fire. Especially if you like a messy sandwich. I don't even want to put it down. Oh. My hand. I want to ask y'all a question. And I'm not really into celebrities, business, but I see that everybody, one second. I see that everybody is really going really hard for, they all in, what's her name? Lori Harvey and Michael B. Jordan relationship. Well, they did have a relationship. They not together anymore, and like everybody is so, talking about this. And I'm wondering why this is such a big deal. I think I might have put too much salad on here. What y'all think? Still fire though. I'm curious why everybody be all up in her relationship or their relationship. This is my question. And comment down below how y'all feel. Do y'all feel like Lori Harvey is a garden tool? And everybody's gonna think differently, which is fine. You ain't gotta agree with me because I'm gonna state my opinion. You know, we all ain't gotta agree. We can agree to disagree or whatever, you know. It's no big deal. So I feel like a lot of men, and sometimes women too, feel as though she's like a garden tool. But my thing is that I might feel like a little bit that the reason why I feel like maybe a little bit, and I really don't even want to say that she's a garden tool, is because she dated Diddy, and then she dated the son. But then part of me is like, both of them let her date them. So, like, whose fault is that? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's not her fault. Look at that. So, besides that, to me, the girl is 25 and she's dating. That's what dating is about. Collecting data on men. Going out there, seeing what you like, what you don't like. You know? I think as women, sometimes we tend to get stuck on one guy. You know, the guy we've been with in high school, you know. We don't ever want to leave. And I feel like her mama, Marjorie, she's smart. Her mama, Marjorie, is smart. And she taught her well. I think she taught her not to settle. To go out there and get what you want and don't settle for any type of man, you know? So, I don't see nothing wrong with her hopping from Diddy to Future to now it's Michael B. Jordan, and now it's gonna be whoever else next. She's 25. Like, she really shouldn't even be, to me, thinking about marriage right now at this point. I mean, if she want to, if that's what she want to do, then I don't see nothing wrong with it. But dang, let the girl live her life. And I feel like men, and this is not all men, I just feel like some men tend to despise women who love themselves and who will say, you know what, no, this is not what I want, and leave and go to somebody else. You know? Some men hate that when a woman know what she wants in a man. Because they want you to settle for them and they BS that they got going on. Sorry, man, I'm just saying. I'm putting it out there. I think she's smart. She's playing the field smart. She ain't got no kids. She ain't got no baby by none of these fools. So, what's wrong with that? But some men, on the other hand, look at it like, oh, she's running through me, you know. I think the issue with her and Michael B. Jordan, they say, I don't know if somebody else know. If somebody else know, comment down below and let me know. But they say that like he proposed to her, and I guess, I don't know, she wasn't ready or whatever. And they see Michael B. Jordan like recently at a game, and they said he didn't have no haircut, he didn't look put together, and this and that. And I'm like, they trying to make him as like, you know, he's the sad guy that Lori Harvey left, and you know Lori Harvey is this little player, and it's like, come on, man, like that girl can choose whatever she want to do, okay? If that girl want to say right now at a point in my life, I don't want to be married, and she turned Michael B down, well, that's what she can do. She's only 25. If she don't want to be married, the girl don't want to be married. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. I feel like people just need to leave her alone and let her date. Y'all drop y'all comments down below and let me know what y'all think regarding the situation. Why is people so obsessed over Lori dating, you know, this guy, that guy, this guy, and that guy? I think it's just really because she doing what men doing, and men are upset. That's what it all boils to. Well, y'all, I'm stuffed. This sandwich was fire. I only have a little bit left. If you have not tried it, try it, because it's fire. I loved it. And I'll see y'all later. Y'all have a good day. Peace.